Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the continuation of about the service oriented architecture. In that, what we are going to discuss in SOA is service maturity and an enterprise service bus and then securing the SOA. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss in this session. First, about the service maturity. So in the previous session we have discussed about the diagram about what are all the services or the levels that the SOA maturity has. Totally 5 levels of SOA is available. Level 1 is of initial, and level 2 is repeatable, level 3 is of defined, and level 4 is managed, and then level 5 is optimizing. So based upon these levels only you can say the how far the service oriented architecture is behaving. So first, the level 1, it is the initial level of SOA maturity, which includes the architecture and the design phase of SOA. It's mainly focused on delivering an individual project. Next, level 2, which is of repeatable. In that, you can use a reusable architectured services which are flexible and it can be used from one project to another. So usually the way level of repeatable in the sense means the services which can be reusable from one project to another. So that's the thing they are conveying here. And then level 3 is defined. Here the project team will be working on the creating architecture elements, and they will be providing guidelines to the project members on the architecture. And then level 4, it is managed. In this level, a business service are managed and they define the path to SOA. Level 5, optimizing. In this level, optimized business services react and respond automatically when you deliver the business processes during runtime. That is the how the services will be react and respond, that will be tracking, and then they will be providing the better solution to the customers in the optimizing level at the runtime. And then it includes a clean identification of services at the level of 5. And then the next topic in the SOA we are going to discuss about is enterprise service bus. In short, we will be terming it as ESB. It is a software architecture which connects all the services together over a bus like an infrastructure, and it acts a communication center in the SOA by allowing multiple systems by linking together, and an applications and data which connects a multiple systems. No disruption will be occurring here. ESB acts as a transaction manager, security manager, and then service proxy, and ESB as gateway to the world. Next, about discussing about securing the SOA. So the SOA is necessary. We need to make it to be secured so that the services and applications will be running safely. For many reasons, we need to include the service exposures and loosely coupling of components. In SOA, we need to make the high security in the SOA because it is exposed, and then the services become unprotected to the attacks. Because of the exposure, it is prone to attacks. So what we need to do is we need to secure the SOA by minimizing this kind of attacks. So the SOA attacks, we have an SOA environment which has many different types of attacks which are being unprotected when it is implemented using web service technology. So here the list of attacks in SOA is injection attacks, schema positioning attacks, and then denial of service attacks. So injection attacks is when we don't have a proper validation of user input, the injection attack occurs. Schema positioning attack is when there is a changes in your XML structures, or your XML structure is modified or it get damaged. This type of attacks will occur. Denial of service is it won't modify but it will be blocking the entire services. That is a denial of service attack. So that's all about the SOA architectures. We have discussed about service maturity, and then next is ESB, and securing the SOA. Thank you.